We're here at Bass Pro Shops in Las Vegas to see if it counts as themed entertainment. Why? Well, I'm running out of ideas.
Hanging with Ginger, chocolate bar, cat cage needs a life. Buffet with burners, squishy with bar, cat cage needs a life. Cat cage needs a life, yeah.
What's up? It's Kev Cage. Good seeing you. And yeah, here we are at Bass Pro Shops in Las Vegas, Nevada to see if it counts as themed entertainment. I've never felt more like an alien on my own planet than being in this store. And if you don't understand why, let's take a look around and I'll show you. As soon as you walk in, this is what you're greeted with. A giant wall of taxidermy. Look at that. Some kind of, there's deer, elk. I made up elk. It's like if the Great Wolf Lodge wanted you to kill things. You might be able to see a waterfall in the background over there. This place is absolutely massive. Here we have a diorama. Is that what you call it? I don't know if that he's trying to eat that guy or... Again, this isn't like a museum. This is a store. Over here, we have a climbing wall that you probably were able to climb up at some point. Fun fact, the cargo shorts you may often see me wear are purchased directly online here from Bass Pro Shops because they are the only place on the planet that still sells them. It is kind of weird that there's a timeshare offered in the pro shop. Everybody's jumping on the DVC trend. Yet more taxidermy. Then, just like you're in Disneyland, if you look over yonder, shooting range. You tell me, are we at an outdoor store or are we at Disneyland? Are these free? 50 cents, still a deal. Remember that waterfall I was talking about in the beginning? This isn't that. This is a second waterfall. Got some fish here. And then check this out. Themed benches. You're not even getting that at WDW these days. All kinds of fishing stuff. And then this is where we start to get a little bit out of my world of understanding. Though these tackle vests look pretty sweet. More taxidermy. Because why wouldn't there be? This is the second waterfall. Upstairs you will see the hunting section. Here's a bear. This is crazy that this is just like a store. Hold on, before we go upstairs, I have to show you this as well. You could buy a boat here. I don't know if you are directly aware of how much I love boats and want to be on a boat and live on a boat, but they are prohibitively expensive, and also I don't have anywhere to put it. Boats as far as the eye can see, which isn't very far, but you can even like check them out. Oh, this thing got sold. $31,000, but how worth it? This is so much better than a car. This is like a car for the water. I would just be like, oh, I want a boat. What do you do with it? I don't know. I like to sail it. I don't know how to start it. Does it need gas? Does it use wind? Look at all these ATVs. I've never in my life been on one of these, nor will I probably ever be on one of these, but people do this. And I know that might not sound weird to you, but it's weird to me. It's so strange. Look at this. Is this like a souped up golf cart? These are like cars. In case you were wondering. Oh, this isn't live bait at all. Sorry guys. I know that fishing isn't weird, but like, the closest I've been to fishing is going outside Port Orleans as part of an excursion where they do everything for you. You just put the pole in the water. It's pretty sweet though. I recommend it. You catch a ton of bass. All right, let's go upstairs. This is where, for me, again, it starts to get really, like, I almost start to feel like I'm unwelcome here. Presented without comment. Yeah. This is pretty sweet. I know what this is from Duck Hunt, the Nintendo game, not actually hunting ducks. Just racks and racks and racks of everything you could imagine. Which one is best for fish. And don't worry, they got rooms where you can try them out. Right in there. Walking through this area, I feel like people can tell that I have a Blue Sky account. Who's buying this? All right, I just got a text from my wife that she has to pee, so I'll make this quick. Archery section, which is actually pretty sweet. Something I would love to know how to do. How cool is this? Hey, can I get a crossbow? This is the conservation room. I thought it was a cigar lounge. I don't really know exactly what's in here. Maybe you can have your birthday party here. Anyway, there you have it. That's Bass Pro Shop. Does this count as themed entertainment? I think it'd be impossible to say it doesn't. If you're into this kind of stuff, then this is probably the coolest place in the world. Honestly, I think it's pretty cool, and I don't like any of it. Usually, you know what I say, if you're lucky enough to be at Bass Pro Shop, I mean, I guess that's cool. See you next time.